Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to make old-fashioned donuts. Add butter, sugar and egg yolks and cream together. Mix in sour cream. Mix in baking powder and salt. Combine flour and cornstarch, then add to mixture, 1 cup at a time. Continue until all flour is used up. Dough will be sticky. The 8th of September 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Well, the donuts aren't that fresh. The Dunkin Donuts variety are significantly less appealing, he explained. Adding, hell, the ones in my store came shipped frozen only to be baked later. That's not quality. The 31st of January 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
A cake donut is made with a sweetened dough that's leavened with the help of baking powder, and is extruded into oil to cook. Yeast, aka raised because the dough is raised, donuts, are your classic glazed donut, the kind you get from Krispy Kreme. A yeast donut is made with a yeast dough. 2 June 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If your donuts have gotten stale, the best way to soften them is to put them in the microwave. Grief recommends nuking them at 15-second intervals. And though it's not a fancy solution, microwaving your donut to reheat it or revive it is kind of the industry standard. 13 February 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The old-fashioned donut is a variety of cake donut prepared in the shape of a ring with tapered edges around it. It is typically deep-fried, may have a crunchier or crisper texture compared to other styles of cake donuts, and typically has cracks and pores on its surface.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ingredients: 1 1/4 cups milk, 2 1/4 teaspoons, 1 package active dry yeast, 2 eggs, 8 tablespoons, 1 stick butter, melted and cooled, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, plus more for rolling out the dough, 2 quarts neutral oil, for frying, plus more for the bowl.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.